Here's Tubin. One-on-one against Miller. Step back three and it rattles out. Here's Roger. Roger Yap. Blocked by Norwood. And Reyes is on the move. Ryan Reyes all the way. No. And Ugatan gets the basketball for the South. They're down by 4.
3-on-2. 2
points. Reyna Lugnatan. Playing from the Alaska Aces. And here's another Alaska Ace player, Willie Miller. Eyeball to eyeball with Lugnatan. 13 to shoot for the North. They're still on top by 2 points. Breakdown move outside. Reyes to Cardona. Cardona, nice fake. And nice bump coming from Roger Yap. Ontiveros cuts loose.
The delay of game warning going to be given against Dondon Ontiveros.
8:03 remaining in the payoff period.
And the substitutes cannot be given in that kind of situation because it was not a dead ball or not a basket made.
Now here's Miller. Outside. Norwood from the corner.
Yes, sir. Norwood's having a pretty good all-star game here.
Lead is back with the North, 119-116. Ontiveros against Cardona. 9 to shoot for the South. Cebuano hot shot. Ontiveros trying to break down the defense of Cardona. Falls away, top shot.
Well, that was a great challenge there by Mac. He knew he challenged the ego of Dondon Ontiveros, who wasn't going to pass anymore.
And Cardona was ecstatic with that defensive stop. Back in a moment. The ANA Platel, the official residence of the PBA here in All-Star City, Puerto Princesa. And back to live action inside the Puerto Princesa Coliseum, where Gabe Norwood missed the slam dunk.
That would have been a good assist pass again from his buddy, Sol Mercado. North All-Stars doing a little trapping here. Tubin from downtown, but missing that one. James Yap hasn't come back into this ball game, despite the fact that we're down to 6:45 here in the fourth quarter.
Here's Miller.
Crunch time, Willie Miller. Couldn't shoot in the first half, but in the second half, he has come back strong and has 10 in the ball game right now.
And pushing the North ahead by 5 points, 121-116. As we near the halfway mark of the fourth quarter, Sol Mercado, nice pass for Miller.
Sol Mercado really has been a big revelation here in this All-Star. Maybe you can see that's what he really wants, you know, yung open court basketball.
A lot of open court wizards in this game. Sol Mercado is one, Cyrus Baguio is another. In fact, Cyrus Baguio is now back in this game.
Cyrus coming back with James Yap to provide a lot of firepower for the South. Si Arwin Santos naman bumalik sa North. So, we're in the wind-up, pero malayo pa rin ito. Kelly Williams again driving. Nice pass to Ugatan. Looked like a foul there. And it was called by referee Sembrano.
Foul is against Arwin Santos. So, 2 free throws para kay Reyna Lugnatan.
The refs have been very thrifty and frugal with the fouls, so nobody's really in foul trouble here. You can really use it now, no? Reyna Lugnatan, kala mo, bakit all-star yan? Pero doon sa Bacolod nung city, 2 years back, really played very well, although it was Simon who became the MVP there with, I think, over 27 points yata ginawa niya nun.
Reynal in his 5th All-Star game, and get a chance to watch your favorite PBA players live through the Solar PBA Text for Tickets promo. Just text in Solar space PBA space mystery keyword and send to 2600 for a chance to win tickets to the games. So, sobrang lakas nyo sa akin. Sasabihin ko na kung ano yung mystery word. Inbound.
Inulit mo na naman.
Hindi naman ako yung mamimigay ng ticket eh. Gusto ko lang masaya lahat.
Okay. Sana maraming manalo dyan. Kelly Williams again. Missing the shot. Offensive rebound. Follow up. Marami ka talagang magiging fans niyan. Friends too.
Here's Mercado. 1-on-1 against Roger Yap. Breakdown move.
Ganda na naman ang defensa ni Roger Yap. With the left hand, he blocked that shot.
Kelly Williams for 3. And Arwin Santos clears a rebound for the North. 3-point game here in the fourth quarter. North on top. And Santos scoots in. Oh, layup is a miss.
Maganda yun dahil sinagot ni Ugnaatan yung defensa dun. Ha? Talagang may kamala si James. He really wants a 3-point play. Look at the way he goes down the middle here. But still missing the shot.
And James Happy saying, I gave all of you yellow wristbands and you're making it hard for me to score. Ano ba yan? All right, we have a timeout. Back in a moment. Great Sunday crowd witnessing our 2010 PBA All-Star Game, the renewal of the rivalry between the North and the South.
Well, standing room only talaga dito, including in the upper level. Again, both to be a proud Filipino for the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, an official finalist of the new 7 Wonders of Nature. Log on to www.new7wonders.com. And also thanks to Sheridan Hotel. No? They put up a place there before you take the ride to going to the other side. They accommodated us as well as the players. And of course, Carlo, the marketing manager of the Rain or Shine squad. James continues to struggle from the free throw line. No?
We would like to thank Mr. Mike Mendoza, Christy Mendoza, and Mr. Wilfredo Merano for graciously hosting Solar TV at Ibajao Seafront Restaurant, your seafoods restaurant right there. Now, JJ Helterbrand with 6 points in this ball game.
But maybe not as important as that because they needed a basket. And that was a hard, nice steal again by Sol Mercado, but a foul called against him. And the Sol train was stopped in its tracks.
That's not easy to do. You need strong brakes.
A getaway train like that? Ooh.
Nakakapit sa bakal yun. But a nice wipe by Mercado. Hinayang siya, no? Hinayang siya na tinawagan siya ng foul. 4-point game, 125-121, North on top. Let's see what the South will do on this possession. Here's Baguio. Baguio has been masterful the whole game. James Yap for 3. And the ball ends up with J.J. Helterbrand. Helterbrand to Sol Mercado.
Sabi ni Sol, kanina pa dapat yun. Dapat naka-freebie na ako kanina pa. But
Cyrus Baguio. Look at Cyrus Baguio.
But he missed it.
Here's Arwin. Oh, lost the handle there. So babalik ang bola sa South. They're down by 6 points.
Nagulat ako kay Cyrus kung paano siya nakalusot doon. Jimmy Alapag, this one, making sure about it.
Dr. J, ayaw talaga magpaiwan dito ng South in the fourth quarter.
Oh, kahiyaan yan. Kahiyaan yan. They don't want to lose. And the North certainly wants to win also.
Here's Mercado. North on top by 4 points. 127-123. Under 4 minutes remaining in the ball game. Mercado.
That's gonna be way off the mark.
Magkakataon for the South. Down by just 4. And Jimmy got caught in a Helterbrand and Gabe Norwood sandwich.
Number 10, Gabe Norwood.
Binagyan ng mayonnaise. But that's why they call him the Mighty Mouse. Nothing's gonna, frighten him. He has to bang in against bigger people or find the smallest space to try to get off a shot. But remember, he made the last layup. He go to the free throw line. Very important at this stage because it's a 4-point lead.
When you're in Puerto Princesa, visit and stay at the Microtel Hotel Resorts, the same great hotel everywhere you go. For inquiries, log on to www.microtel-palawan.com.
14 points in the ball game now for Jimmy Alapad. 2-point lead here for the North All-Stars. And our sports writers are going to have a hard time finding a best player of the game here.
Marami tayo